I just add a sparkle in this one because there's a little bumps, so just enough to have a I'm out now of a top coat. So this one I add a sparkle to on a top coat, just enough to cover up. And this one I add the sparkle because just you can see the little bubble, and so I just cover up the bubble, so now it's all sparkle now. So this one too, so now much better now. And that other one, because if I see the bump, I don't like it. So like a bubble sometimes. And so that one is new too. And I see a little like a bubble on that one and the big one, so that's why I have that sparkle too. So because I'm nail polish, I have that for a while too. So that will come off the side, the dirt, like a little stain. When I wash my hands, that will come off. Okay, see you later. Little windy, a lot of mosquito outside, but nice.